The boundaries of digital storytelling just shifted. Pippit AI agent has launched a new model, Dreamina Seedance 2.0, now in early access on Pippit. So you can experience a new level of fluid motion that changes everything. And you can try it now, the link is in the bio. So here is the platform on Pippit.ai. Here I can choose a model. Choose Dreamina Seedance 2.0, and then first let's try a motion quality, and for that of course we need to think of some kind of a combat prompt. So we have a supernatural acrobatic combat, a warrior blinks through the battlefield in short bursts of motion, flash reappearing on the walls, a lot of different things, exaggerated anime physics. Let's choose 69 and 15 seconds and let's create. And here is our final video. Look at the beginning of the scene, looks pretty nice. You notice that also anime quality and this warrior and his sword making all of those moves against these monsters, pretty nice. Similarly, street dancing with a lot of movement has been always very hard for AI. So we have two street dancers locked in an intense battle in an urban alleyway. Both are performing high energy, intricate breakdance powers moves like flares and head spins. And then we have also some dialogue, actually monologue. So let's create. This is the video, beginning looks very promising.
Stop fighting! Stop fighting!
One of the better street dancing of AI that I've seen. And now we need to test a very fast dialogue and very fast camera movement packed all in 15-second video. So this is a rather complicated prompt. As you can see, a lot of changes. Every second basically something changes. The main thing here is that whip pan follows a speaker. So we have woman and a man speaking, and every second the whip pan camera moves between them, which is very hard. And this is our video. Let's see if it actually managed to do that.
You promised. You said you'd be here. Our appointment was at 3 o'clock. Where were you?
I got held up at work. It's not a big deal.
Not a big deal? I took off work. I rearranged everything.
You think I don't know that? You think I don't feel like shit about it?
Feeling like shit doesn't change anything. It doesn't undo it.
What do you want from me? An apology? Fine. I'm sorry.
I don't want apologies anymore, David. I want you.
Now let's test the textures and colors in a complex motion. Our main protagonist here is a black raven, and it will do some interesting things if it managed to fulfill this prompt. Generate. Here is our raven. Very nice textures and colors. I like how Raven finally stays very calm. Very good. Now let's try an image to video in a kind of a documentary style. So I will upload an image. So we have this tiger in the nature. So use the uploaded image at, you see how I very conveniently named the image salkskat.jpg as the exact first frame, and then create a 15-second ultra-realistic continuous chase shot. This ought to be interesting. So really exact first frame. Now let's look at it. So let's also test the dynamic angle movement, like for example push, pull, pan and tilt. So we have the camera dives between towering trees, threading tight parallel passes, then snaps into a wide orbit, violent pull up, and all of that. Let's create 9:16 and let's actually have less seconds, even 10 seconds. Fine. So here is our raft. Nice closing up from the side. Yeah, pull and then orbit. Completely follow the prompt. Of course, I always need to test a complicated prompt with my, how to call it, teeth brushing lady. If you watched my videos, you already know that this prompt and the video turns out fun, but kind of a scary every time. Let's change to 15 seconds here and then let's generate. Here she is, let's see. Already starts interesting. And then we have the weird eyebrow movements. And then the revelation. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 should also be very good with creating pro-grade commercials, so let's try this. Let's try to make this very clean and minimalistic. So this will be advertisement for a high-performance waterproof hardshell jacket, and no people faces visible, no text, no logos, no voiceover. Just a clean, modern color grading and clean look. Let's change to 69, 10 seconds should be enough, and let's create. So let's analyze the first frame. Look at the textures and the fine details at this zoom in on the jacket. This is pretty good. Let's look at the whole video. Oh yeah, I would buy this jacket. So from high-speed biomechanics to nuanced frame-accurate mirror glitches, this model proves that technical hurdles are officially disappearing. It is the ultimate co-pilot for bringing your most intuitive visual stories to life with natural depth and fluid motion. So start the next era of content creations on Pippit, and I'll see you in the next one.